honest with you right now, I'm just going to use my webcam on my computer. This is what $900 gets you. Truthfully, this is what happened. I discovered that there was a blockage that made my thermostat stay closed. With my thermostat staying closed, that's why there wasn't anything circulating. When I burped the radiator, I was getting the stuff I had put on the other side or previously in, like I ran cleaner through it, and the engine flush was bubbling up after I'd put antifreeze in it. So there was definitely a blockage or something that was causing the flow to be weird. So anyways, there'll be a new video tomorrow coming explaining the install and whatnot. But this is kind of just showing you what it's like when you burp a Jeep Cherokee or any type of vehicle that has a clogged, closed thermostat. I'm leaving this in here because right here, that's what it's not supposed to look like when you're just burping the system. That is indicative of a blown head gasket or something else going on. There's definitely air getting in the system. We upgraded the water pump. That video is coming tomorrow. As you can see in the radiator, there's air coming when I squeeze the hose. So we're going to reattach the trans cooler that the previous owner took off. We are going to get a new radiator delivered tomorrow. We're going to put a new water pump. We're going to put a new thermostat, and we are going to see how it goes from there. Once again, this isn't to create the greatest ultimate fix. This is to get the car to be able to run again, so I can get it to the point where I can actually travel to get the head gasket fixed, or just fix the head gasket, but first making sure that that's the true problem and that everything else is fine. Please subscribe. Gainsmedia.com. Thank you.